Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips for trading tonight. Okay, so we will be doing this together right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I would like you to know that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we're checking out right here, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, I'm on 5 minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend trading indicator to do our analysis right from here. Okay, so this actually started an uptrend right from this support zone, and you can see the yellow flag. It shows that the market is on uptrend, and of course it kept on going up until it got to this resistance zone. Okay, but it was unable to go above it, so it's starting a downtrend right from here, but we need it to break out below this. Okay, so once it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. So we should be expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity from here. Okay, so we should be expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It had been selling right from the resistance zone, okay, from here. Okay, so it gave us a downtrend right from here, and of course it has been selling since then, and it's still selling at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. It's possible for it to have some pullbacks in between, just the way it is having right now, because it is around this support zone. Okay, but it will still sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so quickly let's move on, guys. Let's move on to crash. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been selling from this resistance zone, and of course it has been crashing down till it got to this region, and it is still crashing down at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 actually started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag, it signifies an uptrend, and of course the blue arrow right from here gave us a buying entry. Okay, so it has been buying since then, approaching the next resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, but if it breaks out from there, it will keep on buying. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, this might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from there. Next asset is going to be V75. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend from the resistance zone, and it has been selling since then, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it had a pullback, and of course it's trying to go into a buy trend at the moment. Okay, so we just need it to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this should be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of it, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.